There's a reason why people need to catch up to crypto. The reason is crypto is super complicated and it's always evolving. I've been in the crypto space for over 10 years now, and that's perspective that a lot of people who came in after 2020, they just can't really grasp. To really understand the dynamics of crypto, you've got to have the history and the perspective, and catching up to crypto will allow you to gain that. The digital asset revolution is here. It's the cutting edge of technology and finance, and it's unavoidable for the future. The digital economy is coming, and you don't want to get left behind. Bitcoin is disrupting TradFi because Bitcoin is different. It's different than anything we've ever seen in the history of assets. The stock market, they don't know what to do with it. Institutions, they don't know what to do with it. Hedge funds, they don't know what to do with it. But retail investors here are the people that can win big by getting in early. And don't be mistaken, when it comes to crypto, you're still very early. When it comes to Bitcoin, many people see it now as digital gold. But when it comes to Ethereum, this is the new version of the internet, a decentralized internet to where no one single point of failure can disrupt the system. Ethereum has just undergone what we call Ethereum 2.0, or the merge. This allows it to have much better tokenomics, as we say, much better numbers than even Bitcoin itself. Over the next several years, a lower percentage of Ethereum will be created than of Bitcoin, and that's big, it can't be understated. But when it comes to really comparing Bitcoin versus Ethereum, you have to ask yourself, where is bigger value? Looking at something as digital gold or something that is a totally new rebrand of the entire internet? Which one holds more value? I'll let you decide the answer to that one. The truth is, without Silk Road happening, a drug marketplace on the dark web in the early 2010s, Bitcoin probably isn't as successful as it is today. This was really where people began to understand the use case of a private transaction blockchain. Well, right now, of course, Bitcoin is not private. There is something called Chainalysis that can track transactions, but early on, there was no way to know where the money was flowing to and from. The fact is, Silk Road is a black eye in the history of Bitcoin, but without it, we probably would not have seen the true use case realized. So it was kind of a necessary evil to get Bitcoin to where it is today. Web3 is going to be absolutely massive. When you look back at the history of the internet, you look at Web 1, which was your America Online, your original internet sites. You look at Web 2, this is where really the birth of social media and search engines really blew up. And now we're moving to Web 3. It's a decentralized version of the internet that is based more peer-to-peer, it's community-based, and it's a more individualized internet. And that just can't be understated how important that's going to be going forward. Imagine if you invested in Facebook or Twitter when they very first busted on the scene. That's the type of opportunity that Web3 now offers. When you're learning to invest in crypto projects, the most important thing is not to look at the price of a coin. Too many people get focused on that. The more important number is the market cap and how that relates to how a project can grow. If you look at the market cap of gold, it's sitting at, I think, about $11 trillion right now. Bitcoin's at about $350 billion right now. That means that that's almost a 30x gain just to match the market cap of gold, a far inferior asset to Bitcoin if you ask me. So when you're really judging projects like Ethereum or Bitcoin, you should be looking at their market caps and judging how much you think those can grow. If you want to see if a project has what it takes to get to Bitcoin's level, you should look at the market cap. If it's a 10 billion market cap, ask yourself, does this have 35x to grow to match Bitcoin? If the answer is yes, then man, that's going to be a great investment. Remember this, look at market cap for potential, do not look at price. If you're ready to catch up to crypto, make sure to check out bitboycrypto.com/book and get more information by clicking the link down below.